Recent AI advancements from November 13th to 15th highlight significant breakthroughs across various sectors. Google announced a substantial $40 billion investment in Texas for new cloud computing and AI infrastructure. OpenAI is reportedly enhancing its popular conversational AI with GPT 5.1 for more intelligent and personalized interactions. This includes advancements in neural network interpretability through groundbreaking Sparse Circuits research. The platform is also introducing innovative group chat functionalities for broader engagement. Google is further integrating AI agents into its products like Maps for enhanced user experiences. AI is also transforming embodied gaming experiences, making virtual worlds more interactive and intelligent. The company continues to pursue cutting-edge quantum computing applications, pushing the boundaries of computation. Anthropic is making significant investments in U.S. AI infrastructure to support foundational AI development. They are also developing AI specifically for accelerating mathematical discovery and problem-solving. In medicine, a groundbreaking milestone was achieved with the world's first baby conceived through AI-assisted IVF. Stanford University researchers developed an AI tool capable of reducing wasted efforts in organ transplantation by 60%. On the regulatory front, the European Union plans to relax landmark AI and data protection rules, delaying high-risk provisions to 2027. Concerns about AI misuse were highlighted by the first documented large-scale AI-orchestrated cyber espionage campaign. XPeng unveiled a highly dexterous humanoid robot named Iron, poised for potential workforce transformation. Rockwell Automation is bringing generative AI to industrial edge applications, leveraging powerful processors. AI is transforming weather prediction with faster, more personalized forecasts, demonstrated by Google's DeepMind. Purdue University is partnering with Google to integrate AI competency into its curriculum for all students starting in fall 2026. For AI beginners, numerous opportunities leverage existing AI tools without extensive technical expertise. These include offering AI-powered services like writing, graphic design, and video editing. AI also drives digital marketing, SEO, social media management, and affiliate marketing strategies. Beginners can develop AI chatbots or create customized GPTs for various business needs. Building AI-powered websites and mobile applications presents another lucrative avenue. Offering AI-related consulting, tutoring, or online courses provides valuable service to others. The emphasis for beginners is on using AI to enhance existing skills, automate tasks, and combine AI tools with human creativity.